So Toyota is exploring small drone system for off-road vehicle use. Hi everybody, my name is Eddie, and today on Talk Daily we're going to be discussing this new exciting thing that's going to be probably everyone is going to start following and doing it most likely. Now before I go any further, where am I getting my information from? I'm getting it from Reuters, from an article written by David Shepardson, dated October 7th of 2025. So what's happening? So this is what's going on according to the article, and I'm going to quote saying Washington, October 7th. Reuters, Toyota Motor Company, said on Tuesday it is exploring the development of a small drone system primarily to support vehicle operation on unpaved roads and trails. The Japanese automaker said in a filing with the Federal Aviation Administration that the potential system aimed to boost situational awareness in places where it is unsafe to exit the vehicle by providing the driver with view of local environment, including potential hazards around underneath the vehicle. Driver can plan safe route and improve vehicle operation, said the Toyota letter, and the letter by Toyota, saying most drone flight would occur close to the vehicle. At times, operator may fly a drone above the tree line to capture videos used to orient themselves or capture the terrain. I think that's a great idea. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I personally think it's a great idea, and I think a lot of people are most likely going to copy that. Is drones being used off-road? Absolutely. If you ever had the chance to go off-roading, a lot of people use drones, and primarily just for leisure, to capture the scenery, record themselves doing such activity. Now, if you're not familiar with off-roading, long story short, I don't know if you're driving on the road and see a truck or an SUV or something next to you that has big tires and, mud everywhere, or not even that, and maybe a winch on the front. They like to go off-roading. Off-roading is basically the road is uneven, and sometimes you can beat yourself. So usually what you do, you have a spotter step out and just kind of look and just make sure that you don't drive the tire into a hole, because you can't see if you're inside the car. If you ever want off-roading, it's really hard to see visually, especially with the A-pillar and especially newer cars. But anyways, long story short, what Toyota is doing, I think, is very, very clever and probably going to catch on. Now, saying that Toyota is constantly working on new technology in various fields, and we do not have any product plan for announce at this time, the spokesperson said. So the SDOT said eliminating some requirement will significantly expand the user case for drone technology in areas like manufacturing, farming, energy. Yeah, of course, if you ever do any farming, if you're not familiar with farming, they use a lot of drones, of course. So drones are being utilized everywhere. But now Toyota is, trying to get basically you buy a Toyota SUV, and if you want to go off-road, you have a Toyota drone. Like, comes as a probably like accessory package, and when you need it, it just takes off. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be probably inside the vehicle, and you just gonna open the window and just gonna like, there you go, buddy, and it flies off. But you're probably going to be able to see it on your screen inside the car, which I think is fantastic. Now, let me know what you think in the comments below. You think it's a good idea or a bad idea? As I said, if you ever went off-roading, you'll see a lot of people are already using drones. So this is not really new, but it's new as far as this is coming officially from the manufacturer. So it's probably going to incorporate all the technology that's within the car. You probably get, I think it's fantastic. I love it. So good luck to Toyota, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will follow. I'm pretty sure Ford, General Motors are, paying close attention to saying like, yeah, me too. So anyways, let me know what y'all thinks in the comments below as always. And yes, we are back. I was gone for a little bit, been traveling, so we're going to keep pumping out videos. We'll do our best over here. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below as always, and take care everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.